Hi guys, so this is the setup basically I'm looking for today. So as you can see, it is trying to break this. If it breaks 591, I'll be taking a trade on short side. So this is the support from morning that it had taken. It had taken support, and now it had broken this trend line, and now it is trying to come down. So if it comes at 590, I'll be taking a trade on short side. So let's just keep it ready. Intraday market. Right now it is at 615. If it shows little bit of more weakness, then I might take before as well. Yeah, I'll be taking the trade. Yeah. Okay, the low it had made is 34,600. I think our order would have triggered at that price. Yes, nothing can be done about that. That's completely fine. Let's decide our stop loss and target. Yeah, the crucial level is 594. Around this level it should come below this, then it will be a nice fall. Okay, so we have taken the trade at 600, 34,600. We are on short side. Okay, and our stop loss will be somewhere above this, around 75 points. And if it gives a fall, it will break today's low. If it falls, the fall will be big because it has been trading above this since morning. So yeah, we can expect somewhere till here. Let's keep it round level 34,500, since it's a psychological level as well. So I'll be keeping the target for 34,500. Right now, okay, we have taken trade at 600, so that target will be 500. And the stop loss is, if it comes here, obviously it will break this trend line as well, and it will obviously move higher. Okay, so 34,670 is our stop loss. 34,670 is our stop loss. So 34,670 is stop loss, 34,500 is our target. Right now it is trading somewhere around our level itself. Let's see if we hit our stop loss or target today. Okay, so finally our target has been achieved. Total profit we booked is 2501 rupees. It was hell of a roller coaster ride. You can see here our stop loss was about to get triggered. We were just saved by a few points. The high it had made is 661 and our stop loss was at 670, only 9 points. And here again the high made was 658, so here around 12 points. Okay, so that's why stop loss, keeping stop loss is really important where you are keeping. So frankly speaking, even my stop loss is not perfect. The perfect stop loss would have been somewhere here. Okay, but again keeping here or somewhere, at least somewhere here, it messes up my risk to reward ratio. So that's why I had kept somewhere here, hoping that if even if it reaches here, obviously it will make a spike and it will reach till there. So having that thought in mind, and this trend line was also there, so that's why I had kept just here, so that if it take a resistance from this trend line, it will come back down. If it breaking it, then obviously it will be going higher. Okay, let's first cancel the stop loss order. So you can see our position, we have booked a profit of 2501 rupees. Let me explain the logic. And one mistake that could have happened is that I took a trade a little before the breakdown. If I go to 5-minute time frame, let me just remove this. Okay, so you can see here, let me just remove this. So you can see here, this was my trend, this was my support level. Okay, it was taking a support in morning here, it had taken again here, and then it had taken, and I took the trade just before it, because it was making a bearish kind of pattern, resistance from above trend line, and then it came down, and then I took a trade here, having thought in mind it will break it. But I took a trade before it broke, so that could have been the only mistake. That's why it bounced back again from here, came went almost till our stop loss, came back again, took a support here multiple times, again it went till our stop loss, just before our stop loss, then it came down. So that's basically the trade. The setup was quite easy. As you can see here, it was a support line earlier, it broke down, took a retest, came down. Then it once a support line is broken, it becomes a resistance, then it came back, it hit its resistance, came down, again went up, and then it broke. So it took a support here, it took a support here, it took a support here, and then when it broke, you can see the fall. So this is what we are looking for. So we are just trying to capture those around 100 points when any support or resistance level breaks, or any important trend line break. Okay, so that was the first reason. Second reason was this trend line. You can see here this trend line. Okay, it had taken a support here, support here, support here, support, it had taken support here, then it came and it broke here. After breaking from this trend line, I had took a trade. Okay, but then this important support level was there, that was pending. So then it went back, again took a retest at this trend line, and then came down and fell smoothly. So yeah, so that was the trade, guys, and thank you for watching. We have booked a profit of 2500. Thank you for watching.